what's up? Welcome back. Today I just kind of wanted to have a little chat. The other day I was sitting and talking with my sister Annie, who's 19 years old. She's going to be starting college in January. She's going to live on a dorm and everything, and I was kind of just like giving her life advice, I guess. Whether you're 8 years old or 15 years old or 25 years old or 70 years old, and she told me how a lot of it was super helpful for her. So she kind of helped me to pinpoint what was most helpful from what I was saying, and then I took that and I made it into 5 or 6 different points that I think you guys should really try and incorporate into your life. Also, if you are new here, hi, my name is Kat, and you should consider subscribing. I do a ton of lifestyle and home and organization and cleaning and vlog style videos, so you should definitely click that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, @CatMayTV. Follow me. Quiet up. Well, I'm gonna continue talking, but not about intro stuff, about the video stuff, so let's get into it. First one is something that I don't hear too many people talk about on YouTube, at least not, I mean, I'm sure there's 1,000,010 videos about it on YouTube, but in terms of the videos that I watch, it's not a common topic, and that is your finances. Like I said, it doesn't matter what age you are, you should start saving money. You're never going to regret saving money. So say it's a year from now and you look at your savings account, you're never going to say, gosh darn it, I wish I didn't save that much money. I wish that that number of money in my savings account was less than it is. Say you have $100 saved up. You're not gonna think, oh, I really wish I only had $50 saved up. That would make me happier. It's not gonna happen. But you might regret buying that really expensive pair of shoes or that purse or that camera or that food from the restaurant. I don't know, everybody has their different things. I don't want to tell you not to spend money on something because everybody has what makes them happy. My friend Larissa, she will spend tons and tons of money on a designer purse, whereas she would never in a million years spend the amount of money that I do on camera equipment, but to me it's worth it. So people have their different things that they are willing to spend money on, and that's totally okay, as long as you're also saving. If you didn't know, I did recently purchase a condo. Obviously I had help from friends and family in terms of like figuring out how to do it and all of that, but financially I did it completely on my own. So when it comes to finances, I have a lot to say, and I'd love to, you know, I'm gonna make a whole video about it, so be on the lookout for that. But what I'd really like you to take from this tip in this video is no matter how old you are, start saving. It could be a little piggy bank in your room that you put cash or change into, or it could be a savings account in your bank if you have one. Whatever it is, start saving, because like I said, you're never gonna regret it. You will literally never, ever, ever regret saving money. So, but you will thank yourself so largely, so much so. That didn't make any sense, but you know what I'm trying to say. Save money. Look at Sal. You blend in with the thing. I feel like I'm like trying way too hard at this, but I just want him to be visible because he's so darn cute. I think it's a really good idea to write down at least 3 bad habits that you currently have. Some examples of mine: biting my nails, I'm pretty sure, or like picking at them, touching my face. I think the best and easiest way to end a bad habit is to replace it with a good one. Write down 3 bad habits and start to brainstorm how you're going to effectively squash them or switch them to a good habit. Okay, this next one I find fun. For me at least, when my spaces are clean and organized, as y'all probably know, I just feel so much better. My mental state is happier, I feel calmer, my mood is better. So I really recommend that you totally declutter and clean out every space in your room. And that sounds super overwhelming, but I do have a step-by-step guide to literally the entire process. A handful of months back, I did a whole week of cleaning and organization challenge. I will have a link to my website in the description box where it gives you the challenge, a video where I chat about it, and then I actually have my video that I like vlogged myself doing the challenge for the week up on my YouTube channel. So I'll have that linked in the description box below. So if you haven't done this challenge, or if you did it when I first uploaded it, but you were thinking that, you know, your spaces kind of got a little messy, so you wanted to redo it, I'll leave all of the information in the description. It's totally free. You just download it. It looks like a pillow. Identify one big goal for the new year. Could be anything. It could have to do with your school, finding a job, saving money, as we talked about earlier. Maybe it's starting a YouTube channel. Maybe it's a fitness journey that you want to begin. Whatever it is, define that goal, and then you're going to create subtasks and action items of what you're actually going to do. So my big goal for 2019 that I really want to spend a lot of time on is growing my YouTube channel. Every day, take a few minutes to either plan out a video or write down new video ideas. Number 2, upload 1 to 3 times a week. So that's just an example of my goal. But the point is, instead of just saying, I want to grow my YouTube channel, I'm also taking the time to write out specific things that I can do daily, weekly, monthly, that will actually take steps for me to getting closer and closer to achieving that goal. I challenge you to, after this video, do that. I feel like I'm talking about a lot in this video, so I'm gonna have a checklist in the description box, or like a list of all of the things that I want you to do after this video, and then you can go back and like rewatch it if you need to get the information on each section again, but just so you have an overview of like what you're supposed to do. This isn't homework, you don't have to do it, but I really do think that you'll be very happy with yourself if you do all of these things. And the 5th thing is to really reevaluate all of the relationships in your life. Now maybe you're sitting there thinking, you know, Kat, I don't have any relationships that I am not totally happy with, whether it's a friend, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever kind of relationship it is. If that's the case, then that's great. Most likely a lot of us have at least one person in their life that maybe they don't feel makes them the best version of themselves, whether it's, you know, that this person puts down your goals, or, you know, doesn't make you feel great about yourself, whatever it is, or maybe pressures you into doing things that you don't really want to do. I think it can be a really, really hard pill to swallow when a friendship, I don't want to say ends, I guess ends, but whatever you want to say, ends, kind of fades out, or you just realize that you can't talk to this person as much as you used to for whatever reason, even if neither of you did anything wrong at all, and it's just you grew apart. I think it's really, really important to accept that that's okay. But what's not okay is if you continue hanging around somebody who's bringing you down and making you feel unmotivated and negative, and like you can't achieve what you want to achieve, because in the end, it's really only hurting yourself. Surround yourself with people who make you feel good and positive and happy, and you'll have a better life. Do you want to come join me for the outro? If you watch until this part, comment, Sal is adorable. Say hi, Sal. They're not gonna comment about you. They're all gonna comment about you if they watch till this part. You're not even looking at the camera, that's rude. Click right up there if you want to see my playlist all about tips on how to be motivated and motivation type stuff and positivity related videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.